Hey guys, it's Andrew from Unlimited Airsoft Shop here, and today we're going to be having a look at the G&G GPM1911 CP. This is G&G's take on the ultra popular Hi-Capa platform. So first, let's take a look inside the box. So inside the box, you'll see that there is a polymer slided Hi-Capa, a 30 round gas mag, speed loader, manual, and a keychain which also functions as your hop-up adjustment tool. The magazine also features a function to lock the follower at the bottom so that you can more easily fill it, as well as that the included speed loader has a pistol mag fill adapter for easily loading your mags every time. You've filled up your mag, simply unlock the follower at the bottom and you're good to go with a perfect stack every time. So, going into the pistol itself, it features a polymer slide, which, well, as we all know from G&G's Combat Machine and Raider series, G&G can make some really strong polymers. So this slide is durable and also helps cut down the weight to make the pistol extremely snappy. Also, because this is proprietary and not completely TM compatible, it does have a blowback unit that increases the efficiency, which allows you to get upwards of 80 shots per gas mag fill, and we're going to do a shooting test just shortly. That's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive. It's over 2 magazines on 1 gas refill. Other than that, the pistol features pretty standard 5.1 Hi-Capa . That was the G&G GPM1911 CP. Now let me know, do you reckon this here will replace the TM Hi-Capa in the future?